Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're taking a look at the Lysol all-purpose cleaner sanitizing and disinfecting spray. This powerful 32 ounces spray is your go-to solution for eliminating 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, including the COVID-19 virus. With EPA registration number 77766, you can trust that this cleaner will keep your home safe and sanitized. Not only does this Lysol spray eliminate germs, but it also removes soap scum and cuts through tough grease and grime. You can use it on multiple surfaces, from the kitchen to the bathroom and beyond. But what really sets this cleaner apart is the deodorizing power. Say goodbye to odor-causing bacteria and hello to a refreshing mango hibiscus scent that will leave your home smelling fresh and inviting. If you're a fan of Lysol's disinfectant products, be sure to check out their other great options like the disinfecting wipes and disinfectant sprays. So, why wait? Keep your home clean, safe, and smelling great with Lysol all-purpose cleaner. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this must-have product today. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.